Village lives are the best, and sometimes they are the worst. It depends with your attitude and what you impress, your impressions. Like right here, you see, those are cows. My baby's here sitting in a basin, and the young man is there with his hoe, and I'm seated here. This is the gadget we bought. You remember this? If you watch my videos, you know this. So it specifically, it's not meant for maybe recordings or whatever. It's just a phone holder and the speaker. But right now we want to use it to take some good views. We will see how this video will look like, and comment in the comment section what it looks like. So village lives, when they say it needs manpower, it is real manpower. So today guys, I want to clean up the mess. Don't know if you can see that where our cows stay, it is really messy. I will show you later. So I want to clean that part. And here I'm seated in our banana farm. Only one hull, not yet germinated, but we hope it will germinate. I will show you this one also. So far, as you can see, this is our plant, our banana farm. You see, our bananas have germinated almost 100%. Though that was a stool I was seated on. You see, like this one, it has germinated. Here we have two of them, that one and that one. So we will harvest them almost the same time. We will have a lot of bananas. Give us 1 year, next year we will be eating bananas. Come along. See, like this all, here's the shoot. So this hole and the other one, they were not they were the ones that did not germinate, but you see this one, it has a shoot. So just give it like 2 days, it will be so grown, even you won't imagine. You see, they have germinated, 2 of them. There we have 2. This one are one. This is the end of that farm. And you see this hole, this one is the one that hasn't germinated. That hole, the partner has germinated, but this hole, it has not, but it might germinate anytime. Our cock is just right there. We purchased it. Yes, the young man, always on the move, very hyperactive. And they have these 2, papaya or papa, whatever. Our young beautiful baby, she's here. I don't know what she's staring to. She's here. Look at her, beautiful baby. Yes, and this place, this is where I want at least to make it look like a home for these cows. You see the mess? The mess is too much. That is our kitchen, our chicken coop. See the mess? Let me try cleaning it up. So let's move. It is 10 o'clock. So without wasting time, let's do the needful. And comment in the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Reach me to 1,000 subscribers. Please, after there, I will beg you to reach me to 4,000 hours. I'm far away from reaching 1,000, but I know with you guys I will do it. Then those sticks, those napier sticks that I throw them somewhere there, I want to see if I will enclose along. Can you see the maze? Along that maze, there's a wire mesh. Is it a wire mesh or a chain link? So our chicken pass through it does not touch down, so the chickens pass. So I want to see if those napier sticks will be able to fill them at that space that the chicken goes through. After that, but I've tried my best. Let me show you. You see this space? You will see a little litter, but it's okay anyway, just the cows. This is the manure. So the manure will just remain there, and those remnants I also deposited them there. They are still manure. They will decompose and be like this one. So at least this one here is clean. You can see, right? It's clean. Those are the sticks I've told you about. I want to see if I will be able to fill those spaces so that the chickens will just be confined here. You see at least, you see even down there in the feeder, clean. See, in this area, this is where our cows sleep. You see, this is where our cows sleep. So at this area, I don't think I will do anything here because this is the litter they sleep on. So our cows sleep here. Don't think I can do anything. Even I got a cut on my leg. My leg is that I can't show you. Some metal. It was not a wire at my leg. So painful. Pop. Not at all. So I'm so tired. I want to see if I will fill those spaces. Then call it a day. Because oh no, I'm tired. I cannot continue. And did this thing do its work? Did it try? I don't know. You will be my witness, or you will be my confine me if it did a good job. So let me finish that litter there, then see if I will fill those spaces, then we call it a day. If I don't see you, have a nice time.
Cycle